Oh shit.
오늘따라 왠지 기분 좋은데.
That's why I got off. I was like, it's really wrong. And then I was like, I had my legs open. I was like, and I was like, it's still really wrong, really.
Oh, this is Guillotine Cam, just saying. We're waiting on CU because he's such a loser. He never comes on time.
He's kicked out. Kicked out. You hear this, you? You're kicked out.
Please. He's lonely because right now he's the only boy. He knows. He's just like shit-eating grin. There he is. Yeah.
Anymore.
Because Hyuk doesn't really smile. He just kind of glares a lot. What?
Around people.
Oh.
So happy.
So whoa.
Like, she's smiling. I was like, oh, Jennifer. Like, it makes me happy, but it shouldn't be.
Does she know why it's so? Okay, I think she knows. do that. Do it. Wait. Yeah. Do it again. Aww.
Darling baby, 따분하기만 한 매일매일 날 긴장 타게 만든 넌.
I turned around, I was like, Jenny, help me! Best. It was so funny, I was like, did it. I was like, do I keep going? I was like, yay. Okay. Someone got the wrong way. Someone got the wrong way.
Where do you go?
You went the wrong way.
I was like,
get to your spot in time.
I was like, did I go the wrong way?
I went the wrong way. He went the wrong way.
Yo, what the hell? He's just like pulling tissue up. What the hell?
Wait.
That's one big bird. I want to picture him.
싶어 꼭 전화해요. 부르는 여보